How to add a new ball with the overlap join. Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you a super easy way to join yarn using the overlap and knit double method. This is a very simple way to add a new ball in knitting without a knot or using a tapestry needle. It creates a slightly visible section on the right side, but since it's so versatile and easy, I think it's just a great technique for beginners. So let's show you how to add a new ball using the overlap join. When you notice that your yarn is almost up, pick up the new ball you want to join and overlap it with your current working yarn, like this, and leave a little tail here that goes beyond your current active stitch. And then pick up these two strands held together the way you normally would. If you are an English thrower, then of course pick up the yarn with your right hand. And then knit 3 to 5 stitches as you normally would with two strands held together. And that's already the whole secret. I'm knitting 5 stitches here because I'm working with this slippery cotton yarn. And once you cover those 3 to 5 stitches, you can drop the old yarn. So this one here, we don't need it anymore. And then you just continue knitting with the new ball. When you come across the join on the return row or round, take care, you have to knit these two stitches together, or rather treat them as one stitch. So don't knit these stitches separately. That would end up, then you would end up with increases. Just treat them as if they were one stitch. Later on, you can cut away the tails using your scissor. I recommend waiting until you washed and blocked your project the first time. I mean, if the ends are a bit longer like that, you can of course trim them a bit. But by waiting until you washed things the first or the second time, you give the fibers a chance to felt a bit and interlock. And later on also, don't cut them here right at the stitches. Instead, leave a little stop like this. Otherwise, those stitches will wiggle through and you might create an even longer tail and actually risk your join. This is the way our little overlap join looks on the right side. As I said, it is barely visible. If you are working in a pattern, then try to hide the join at a position where it's less noticeable. That could be in a cable or in a section of, I don't know, seat stitch or closer to the edge, anywhere where it's less noticeable. Anyway, that's how to add a new ball with the overlap join. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching, comment with your questions, and of course, consider subscribing to my channel in case you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting and enjoy the rest of your day.